Hey guys, I'm back with another new tutorial where I'll be showing how to delete your Linux partition as well as bootloader and grub entirely from your disk when you dual booted the system with Linux. So let's get into it. Just press Windows and X key, go to disk management. It's just a shortcut for the utility tools you can find in Windows. Go to disk management, and now you will see a list of partitions. You may have created a root partition, home partition, and as well as swap partition. There you will see 3 disks similar to healthy partition but without the letter. For this video purpose, I created a single disk where it contains all the Linux the swap, root, and the home. Okay, you go ahead and delete all the partition of Linux. Make sure you do not delete your Windows files. Keep in mind. Okay, after you have done with the delete, you should go to the command prompt, run as admin, so that we can delete the BCD. You can type bcd edit /enum firmware. Here you see a list of boot entries, such as this is for Windows. Let me show you. Sorry. For me, I created these 2 fake boot entries for the video purpose. You go ahead and type the previous command, enum firmware command. Before you delete anything, just create a backup. You can name it whatever you want and copy that backup to BCD backup. Say yes. Now go on BCD edit and let's store what we're gonna edit. Simply type delete. Wait, I did something wrong here. So copy the entry which you want to delete, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, enter. Shit, I forgot to mention D. I'm sorry with that, guys. Okay, let's do. And suppose you want to delete another entry as well. Copy this identifier, same command. Simply replace this one previous entries with what you want to delete. Similar to that, you can delete multiple entries. Alright, now what you want to do is import BCD edit, you have to import the current BCD. Simply clean it and the operation was successful. Now you will not see any kind of entries, these Linux entries, when you start up your PC.